Abrasive manufacturing is the industrial process of producing abrasive materials and products used for grinding, cutting, polishing, and surface finishing. Abrasives are essential in many sectors, including automotive, aerospace, metalworking, construction, and electronics. What are abrasives? Abrasives are materials, usually minerals, used to wear away the surface of a workpiece. They come in natural and synthetic forms. Examples: natural: emery, garnet, diamond; synthetic: aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, synthetic diamond, cubic boron nitride, CBN. Types of abrasive products: bonded abrasives: wheels, segments, sticks used in grinding wheels; coated abrasives: sandpaper, belts, abrasive grains on paper or cloth; super abrasives: diamond or CBN tools for hard materials; loose abrasives: grits used in polishing or lapping. Abrasive manufacturing process. Here's a simplified flow. Raw material selection: aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, diamond binders, resins, vitrified clay, rubber. Preparation of abrasive grains: crushing and grading of minerals to required grain sizes; coating or treating grains for strength. Forming the abrasive tool: bonded abrasives; mixing abrasive grains with binders; pressing into molds; curing in ovens, resin bonded, or firing, vitrified. Coated abrasives: applying adhesive to backing, paper, cloth; electrostatic coating of grains; drying and curing. Super abrasives: high temperature sintering of diamond CBN with metal ceramic bond. Finishing and inspection. Abrasive manufacturing is the industrial process of producing abrasive materials and products used for grinding, cutting, polishing,